Okay, so editor, find, seed, search string from selection. So this controls whether the search string and the find widget is seeded from the editor selection. And this is a pretty cool feature. So by default, this is set to true. And if you select something, actually, let's see what's on the, let's remove true. So if you select something and press Control F, because we had this selection made, it was automatically copied into the search widget. If you set this to false, and you have a selection made, and you press Control F to open the widget, it won't be automatically copied there. But usually when you want to find something, yeah, it's very common to try and find something that you already have. So it's very common to try and find something that comes from a selection. And usually, if you set this to false, you have to select, copy, then you would open the widget and paste. And it's that much easier if you just set this to true, select, and then try and find it, and it will be automatically copied and pasted into it. So I would leave this as its default option, which is true. Pretty cool feature.